Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J. I'm powered by Magic Needles. That's today I'm here with a simple yet fast growing lace pattern titled Trefoil edging or trefoil lace or trefoil trim, whatever you can name it. So this is a fast growing pattern and it is a 2-row repeat and it's worked in short rows. So there is the flexibility of crocheting it to the desired length that we require. We need not fix up the length in the beginning itself. That's the advantage for such type of laces which are worked in short rows. So let's go into the video without any delay, but before that, this particular motif, small motif, I worked with Arin 100% premium acrylic hobby store yarn from Magic Needles, and this is a 5-ply yarn and an anti-pill yarn too, and I use my 5mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video friends. Chain 4, place 2 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. You pull the tail end loop tight. Turn your work. Chain 8. Slip stitch to the 6th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th chain. Chain 7. Slip stitch to the same chain space. Chain 5. Slip stitch again into the same chain space. Now chain 2. Place 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets in chain 2 space. Right now we are working row 2. Chain 1 and turn. This is row 3. Slip stitch into each of the next 2 double crochets. Slip stitch to the chain 2 space. Chain 3, 2 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles in chain 2 space. Turn your work. Again we are going to repeat row 2, chain 8. Slip stitch into the 6th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 7, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, all in the same chain space. So we are making the trefoil here. So continue repeating rows 2 and 3 to the desired length. I shall make a few more repeats and get back to you. I have made a few more repeats of rows 2 and 3 and ending with row 2 here. Now to make the final row, chain 3, Now make a single crochet on top of the turning chain or the DC of the next shell group. Again chain 3, make a single crochet on top of the DC here. So continue till the end. So you're going to chain 3 and place chain 3 a single crochet here, chain 3 a single crochet, chain 3 a single crochet, ending with a single crochet on the last chain of chain 4 that we did here, the very first chain 4. Okay, continue till the end. I shall complete and get back. So this is how the final look of the trefoil lace will be. I have done a very short repeat. I have done only 5 trefoils, so we can work it to any desired length that we require, or any length that we require for our project. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this short video of making this trefoil edging or trefoil trim or trefoil lace, whatever you name it. And a request from our side, if you happen to be the first time you're for a channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. So thank you friends once again. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.